Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing the Yamoto Bash Plate. I ordered this one from Thailand again, from SRC Moto. This is the Yamoto aluminum alloy series plate. So this is what it looks like. Nice solid aluminum. So let's get started. All right, let's get this plate off. Same as before, we need a 5 mil. Go around to the other side. All right, cover's off. Okay, next we need to remove the actual OEM bash plate. I'm going to take out these two bolts, and then there's two bolts underneath as well. So for that, we need a 10 mil. Let's get this off. Okay, so the original OEM bash plate is off. It's just plastic, thin. And I'll show you the comparison against the one I'm going to be putting on. As you can see, it's quite wide here, so it's actually not going to fit contour to the bike. It'll be a little bit out. But it's got the same oil drain, and it's got some less holes in it, but basically same idea. And that's what they look like. Now, they do supply some bolts because I think the OEM are going to be too short, so they got these bolts right here that we'll probably have to put in. So let's get started with the installation of the new bash plate. All right, so for these bolts that they supply, you're going to need an 8 mil. So let's try to get this lined up. I'm not going to apply Loctite to these yet because I just want to run it for a little bit and see how it is first. Because I haven't actually taken the bike off-road yet, so we'll just run it for a bit and see how it feels and if I like it or not. And then if I decide to keep it on, then of course I'll put the Loctite. Just get one started first, guys, so I can get the other one lined up. They did not supply any washers with this, which I'm quite surprised by. I'm not going to snug these up. I'm just going to, bring it in close first. That way I can check the alignment for the bolts in the front. Let's do that. All right, we're gonna have to, I hand tighten these ones in for now, and we're gonna have to use a 10 mil on these and try to tighten them up and get the alignment going. All right, so those bolts are tightened, and I'll just tighten the ones up on the bottom. All right, so the bolts are all tightened up underneath and up front. We got to get the faceplate back on. So let's get this in position and get tightened up. Okay, so the plate's back on. Just gotta have to tighten it up now. Tighten up all the bolts, make sure everything's snug, and it should be done. Okay guys, the bash plate is installed. I'll let you guys have a look at what it looks like. Here's the front of it. You guys can see. And then I'll show you the sides. And that's the side on the right side. And we'll go around and we can show you the left side as well. All right, so this is what it's looking like on the left side as well. And that's it, guys. It gave me a little bit of trouble, I think, with the alignment, because I think I was doing it on the side stand, so it was kind of a little bit difficult to line it up. So my advice to you guys, if you're going to install it, I would say to put it up on a center stand if you have it, and that way it'll be a lot easier to get the alignment of the bolts, because I definitely struggled a bit on the side stand. But, you know, in the end, it's installed, and I think it looks pretty good. So that's it for this install of the Yamoto Bash Plate. Hope to catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.